What's up, guys? Here we have another patient. It's a old rusty Millenium DI box. I found it in my basement and I did test it yesterday and it didn't work. I think it's really dusty and maybe we have some problems with the connection inside, and I think we have a lot of dirt inside. As you see on the box, it's all rusted and nasty. And let's try to open it. First I will remove these things because they are really dirty. So let's unscrew the box. This DI box had been in my basement for years, so I think we have a lot of gunk inside. So hopefully it will work again. Let's open it. Oof. If you can see, it has a lot of dust inside. I think it's wood powder, so we need to test it. And the contacts are really rusty, so I think we could fix that. So first we will see the damage. Let's first put the screws inside a cup and use some WD-40 for cleaning the rust. You can see that it's already eating the rust. So now we will put it here. We need to vacuum clean the dust. Sorry for the noise. Okay, I think that the contacts are really bad, so we need to unscrew. The things. Okay. Okay. we see that we have a screw here, so we need to unscrew it. Let's see. Okay, so I will put it inside of this thing. So yeah, we need to be careful. I think okay. A lot of dust here and some rust. Okay. So everything other, it seems pretty okay. I will vacuum clean that too. Okay, that's it. I think I need to remove also these two screws, if I can. It's all rusted. Okay. A lot of gunk. Okay. So now I think I will use some isopropyl alcohol just to clean I like isopropyl alcohol because it evaporates and it's not harmful for electronics. Okay, we have also here this sheet. We need more of this stuff, so we will clean everything. I think it's wood powder, so it's not so harmful for electronics because it doesn't conduct electricity. What is a good thing, but it has to be clean. So Now we need to clean this. A lot of gunk. I think that's okay. So first I will use some contact cleaner just to clean the contacts and the cavity of the XLR connector. So I don't really know what's the problem with this DI box, but I assume that it can be various things, but not so much, because we have only 3 components: a capacitor, a resistor and a transformer. If the transformer is bad, then we cannot fix it. So we will, you see a lot of gunk. So we use more contact cleaners. A lot of dust. Maybe that's a problem. So yeah, I will insert some contact cleaner into the switch. And wipe it in the second switch. That's it. I see some dust here also. A lot of rust and dust. So yeah, now we need to clean that contacts because they look rusted. We will spray some contact. And try to clean the contacts. You can see a lot of gunk, not inside but outside. What it means that the contacts can be really dirty inside. So it's a big difference. So now I need to test something inside. I can see that something is inside of the input. That will be a pain in the ass, because something is inside of this. Let's try. I can see them. It's hard to go inside. Something, it's inside. Maybe that's a problem, yeah. I need a wire. I will be back. Let's try. I can see something white. So I can see, I think, like aluminum foil. Huh. Okay. Ah, we can see that. Some gunk. Uh, let's try with maybe that will work. I can see something white. That will be a hard thing to we can try. Some things are inside still. As I say, I think it's aluminum foil, so that's the it's a problem to assess these sockets inside. We still have a lot of things. Some white. You can see. Maybe that's our problem with that DI box. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. I think that was our problem. It was a mixture of some paper and aluminum foil. We still have some aluminum foil on the sides, which is not good. Okay. Okay. Still some. We can see here that something was inside. I hope you can see. It's a piece of paper. I hope you can see that. Some paper is left. Gunk. I hope that was our problem, but we have still something. This piece of paper. That was, I think, our problem. And I can see still some aluminum foil inside. I think you cannot see that. So Okay. Fuck. Still. Okay. Now it looks clean. So here was everything which was inside our input. So I think that was our problem. So now we use the contact cleaner and we use a old cable. Okay. And I think that's it. We will use some contact cleaner just to clean the contacts. Now let's clean the outside. And the inside. Yes. That's it. Let's use the WD-40 for cleaning the rust. You can see that the rust is going away. It always surprised me how the dust and rust is ruining electronics. And I think that a lot of electronics can be fixed because we humans produce a lot of electronic waste, and I think it's good for the planet that we are using and repairing things that we used, not just to throw away, but to watch out on our planet, because we humans produce a lot of electronic waste, so it's really important that we can fix things without buying new electronic stuff, which we will ruin the same as the previous one. So that's it. Now we will go on the back side and clean it. Oof. The back side it was really dirty. So it's really nasty. So now this was our thing that I think it has broke our DI box, so the DI box was not working. So now we will some rubbing alcohol just to clean. The back side is also dirty. Some WD-40. To remove the rust. It was really sitting long. A lot of rust. So yeah, that was it. Now we need to make it back as it was before. So we will take the screws over. Okay. Wipe them. Okay. They look like new. So we need to insert them . The small screws. I didn't use the right screws. Yes. So now the first one, second for the XLR connector. I like that Millenium DI box. It works great, and it's passive and it's cheap. So you also have the ground lift, so I think it's cool. We need to insert also that's two washers. And put it back. One, two. And we turn them. We need to fix the PCB. So okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. So now it's time to screw the DI box together. Hopefully we fix the input jack. So screw is not going, huh? Okay. That's it. We clean the legs. Insert them. Okay. It's time to test the DI box. So for testing we will insert the output of my speakers to the output and the input we will open and test. Okay. So I think The DI box is working now. So thank you for watching and see you next time on the next repair video. Ciao.